Respected Mrs. Renu Munjal ji, Chief Guest of the event, whole Munjal family and the Hero Group community, deans and heads of the departments of BML Munjal University, members of the jury, faculty and students of BML Munjal University, and my dear budding scholars who want to become entrepreneurs and leaders in their profession in time to come. I welcome you all to the Heroes of Tomorrow contest launched by the marketing team of BML Munjal University. I'm sure that all of you know about us, the BML Munjal University. We are a young university, but a university with a difference. Our vision is to create leaders who are knowledgeable and skilled and are equipped with life learning skills to work on challenging problems of the globe and provide affordable and innovative solutions. The university's ideology is based on 3 I's principle: inquire, innovate, and impact. Thus, innovations and innovative minds are in our genes. In the backdrop of this, the Heroes of Tomorrow contest is indeed a very novel concept where we try to identify those students who have great ideas, who can innovate, and who can become real heroes of tomorrow. This is the 4th edition of Heroes of Tomorrow contest, which commenced on October the 5th, 2020. I have a strong belief that there is always a hero hidden in each kid. Through this contest, we shall discover a few heroes from students of class 11 and 12 in the country. In fact, this is the right age group when they prepare themselves to build their careers in their chosen profession. If they can be guided at the right time, they will do wonders. These kids have curious minds which have no boundaries and can lead to limitless ideas. No doubt, the kids of our nation are the most brilliant ones, not only in India, but in the world too. Today, if you see, NASA has more than 30% of the scientists who are from Indian origin. We gave zero to the world through Aryabhat. The first public demonstration of microwave transmission was made by Jagdish Chandra Bose. Hargobind Khorana was the first to demonstrate the role of nucleotides in protein synthesis. We gave Ayurveda. We gave yoga. I can list many inventions and innovations. Let me also list out 2 recent innovations. Many of you may know that J# programming language is a transitional language for programmers of Java and Visual J++ languages. So one can use existing knowledge and applications on .NET framework. This language was developed by the Hyderabad-based Microsoft India Development Center at High Tech City in India. Kojo programming language, which is an integrated development environment for computer programming and learning. Kojo is an open source software and was created and is actively developed in India. There are many such examples and the journey continues. I think you are also the ones who have the potential to bring out new innovations and inventions. Since we know that you have the potential, we launched this contest. This year's contest was all the more important since, as you all know, that the impact that the current pandemic has made on all of us and in all spheres of life, be it technology, be it healthcare, be it economy, be it social fabric, be it psychology and whatnot. It has in fact affected the whole world in many unprecedented ways. At the same time, the pandemic has also given us hope in the shape of innovative ideas. During this global pandemic, the youth have stepped up as you know, and leaned in with creative and innovative ideas to bring joy, solve challenges, help those in need, and provide balance to the imbalanced ecosystem. As Swami Vivekananda said, take up an idea, make that one idea your life, think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. That is the way great spiritual giants are produced. It is in this background that the Heroes of Tomorrow 2020 has created a buzz in school students to showcase their innovations. The innovations could either be an idea waiting to be unveiled or a prototype. Heroes of Tomorrow 2020 celebrates these innovations, be it across technology, art, science, social, ecological, or just about anything that has germinated as a response to the current adversity we all find ourselves in. Thus, one can be an art innovator, a tech innovator, a mathematician, or a social change maker. The aim of this contest is to recognize and nurture young talent. The students are required to share their innovative solutions to any problem that would have a significant impact on the society. I am happy to note that we received more than 2,000 entries from more than 600 schools spread over 200 cities in India. All the participating students submitted their innovative ideas in various fields. Once the entries were submitted, they were evaluated on various parameters like their understanding of the problem that they were trying to solve with the innovative idea, the minimum viable product, and the proof of concept, among other parameters. So the contest has 3 rounds: entry submission, semi-finals, finals. We shortlisted 175 entries for the semi-final round. The shortlisted 175 semi-finalists received a 2-day certificate training session on monetizing your idea and how to deliver a strong pitch. The semi-finalists were invited to submit the next round of presentations. Among these presentations, we have picked 15 participants for the final round. These participants will be judged on originality, innovation, creativity, quality, and presentation. A jury consisting of highly learned professionals in their own domain has been constituted. We will eventually get 3 winners who will earn cash prize, Firefox bikes, and scholarships for AUG program of their choice at BML Munjal University. I must thank Firefox bikes for this gesture. It is for the information to all the kids that BML Munjal University has many UG programs: BBA, BA Honors Economics, BCom Honors, BA LLB, BBA LLB, BTech in Computer Sciences, BTech in Electronics and Computers, BTech in Mechanical Engineering, and BTech in Engineering Sciences. All these disciplines have many specializations and courses which have been designed to cater for the new generation of technologies in this Industry 4.0 era. These include big data, cloud computing, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence and data sciences, robotics and automation, augmented reality, cyber security, digital economy, digital marketing, business analytics and many more. Who knows, some of you can become the part of BMU family and be the leaders and heroes of tomorrow. I want to congratulate each and every participant of this contest, as I believe that each of them is a winner, since each one of you had an idea and therefore you took part in this contest. I wish all the best to those who have made it to the final round of 15. May the best 3 ideas win the contest, but it doesn't mean that the other 12 are losers. You know, this weekend I was watching Indian Idol 2020, which also has 15 finalists. They all are so talented that when they give their performance, no one can distinguish between them. Although only one will win, but each 15 of them will have a great career ahead. Same is the case with all the 15 shortlisted participants who are our heroes of tomorrow. कुछ करना है तो डट कर चल, थोड़ा दुनिया से हट कर चल, लीक पर तो सभी चल लेते हैं, कभी इतिहास को पलट कर चल. In the end, I would like to thank the whole team of BML Munjal University, led by the marketing group, to make this contest a successful one. Wishing you all the best. Have fun.
First of all, I would really like to thank BML Munjal University for organizing such a really beautiful event to pick up the great innovations and talents from India. And Firefox is really very proud to be the part of this event, where we can recognize our young talents of India. I would really like to thank all the jury members here, BML Munjal University team completely with Apurva and all the participants who has made their journey to the grand finale. Firefox Bike is basically the India's leading bicycle brand and a Hero Cycles Group company. Recently, you can find, has been a paradigm shift in these times, and cycles are now evolved as a medium of transportation and transformations. I'm sure everyone present here can cherish the old sweet memories of riding cycles in childhood with friends and joy of riding together. As you are aware, COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in unprecedented bicycle sales in India, and more people try to remain fit and avoid public transportation these days. For basically the fear of contracting the virus, everyone is looking for an outdoor and friendly activity to help to better combat with the challenges associated with stay at home, and cycling fits well. To be very honestly, we have witnessed some great presentations and innovations from everyone, be it Mridang with the QR, Amitav with the solar mobile charging, Mick with the sensor board dashbin, Shark Bike by Jan, Mikhail with the great technology, and many more we have seen. However, I personally feel that each and every project was really different and extraordinary. No matter who bags the top 3 positions, I personally feel that all of you are really winners and have great, bright and shining futures for sure. So guys, keep your curiosity and enthusiasm alive. You'll surely going to touch the great heights for sure. With this, I wish all the best to everyone. A very happy and prosperous New Year 2021, and let's see who bags the wheels. Thank you so much.
Thanks. It's been a pleasure, being here. My thanks to the Munjal family, to the BML family, to other jury members. It's been a great learning experience from all of you. Very inspirational, very out of the box. All of you at this age, maybe 15, 16, 17, have considered so many factors, social costs, economic costs. It's not easy, and I would like to congratulate each one of you for being here. Like Soumya said, it's a great achievement, irrespective of whether you win or lose. So a big pat on the back for each one of you. You can pat yourselves, and you deserve, all the applause and appreciation. You continue to, I think, inspire us. You shared various pros and cons, and I can only, wish you well. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I think thank you so much for giving us half a day of great learning. I think very gratifying to see young people thinking big. Wonderful. I'm sure out of 2,200 entries, 175 selected. You are a very elite group. I think to be here on this forum, presenting your wonderful ideas to an extremely challenging jury team, I suppose, is not an easy task. So you've all aced it. I think a couple of things that I wanted to discuss or maybe share with you on innovation is that there are two different types of innovations that we got to see today, and one which was completely driven by the product innovation, and the other was a stream of business model and society service innovations, which is in fact both of them are very good to see. But please remember that until and unless we have a sweet mix of both of them, no product could be successful. So while you are all very young and you'll have a lot of opportunities in this life to innovate, remember that whenever we are creating a product, we need to have the end consumer in mind. We need to have the society impact and benefit in mind. And let me tell you, we are a very large and a complex country. As Mr. Munjal always mentioned, that we are not a country, we are a continent, right? So given the size of our population, given the mix and complexity of our cultures and all, there are a whole lot of problems which are there in the system and which would keep on cropping up from time to time as we mature as a society. So keep your eye on the emerging problems also, right? And try mixing your product innovation to the problems which are there, and make changes and innovation to your business models also, because no innovation can ever be successful till the time it has acceptability. So keep that as the mantra in mind. That's all I have to say to you. I saw some very, very bright ideas. I saw some very bright people today. I mean, and they are fired by what they believe in. So all the best to all of you. I think it was a wonderful day for all of us. And let's look forward to who are the top 3 people in the contest. Thank you.